What's going on YouTube? KB McFly here. I wanted to make a video on something that me and my business partner, Nell, y'all know him as Beaters to Heaters on YouTube. We want just a little preview of our YouTube tech channel that we are going to make very soon for our business called Tech Maximus. And I just got Windows 8, and just wanted to give a little rant and a little review on the Windows 8 or whatever. So, how can I start? For one, because I'm on Windows 8 right now, as you can see, or whatever. I'm trying to move the camera right there, bam. It's a dope operating system, you know what I'm saying? If you just a person that loves to play with operating systems or loves to upgrade stuff, I say go for it or whatever. They got so much features, like, you know, tablet features, but on a PC, you know what I'm saying? And it was, at first, I mean, since it debuted, like, well, the retail copy came out last Friday or whatever. Everyone's been giving it somewhat bad reviews or whatever. Like, oh, it's good for tablets, but not for PC. But my personal opinion, I think it's a great operating system or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, just to play around with just a new operating system, like days after it come out or whatever. It's just something. It's a great experience or whatever, for the fact that you see what the bugs are, you see what can or can't get installed or whatever, and just, some people just haven't, like, they don't want to install it yet or whatever, due to the fact that they think it's tons of bugs and a whole bunch of other stuff. And truthfully, it's not even a lot of bugs or whatever. You just gotta make sure your hardware will be certified. I mean, your hardware is like 100% certified, so it can run Windows 8. So, you know what I'm saying? They got, so much apps and all. Like, the thing I love about Windows 8 is the Windows Store or whatever. Like, it has so much great apps or whatever you can download or whatever. Like it got games. It got you can download Netflix or Hulu Plus or the New York Times, or even just any kind of app you can think of. Like, they even got like a recipe book app or whatever. To all y'all chefs out there, it is a great thing. To all y'all people that order stuff from eBay or Newegg, they actually got an app, an actual app for it. Like, if you do traveling or whatever, like, it's whatever you think. I mean, whatever that interests you or whatever, they may have on the Microsoft Store or whatever. So, and of course, this little part right here, it was I think it was called Metro UI, but I forgot what the new name is or whatever. And you gotta remember also, once because this is not just the start menu, Metro UI, whatever, but you can get to your desktop, and there you go with the desktop. Let me close this out. And I really don't have. I mean, I got stuff installed, but I always keep my desktop clean and tidy. So, to all that's interested or whatever, I mean, I say go for it or whatever. It's a great operating system, and you know what I'm saying? It's just an upgrade to Windows 7, which to me, Windows 7 is one of the best operating systems maybe in a very long time. You know what I'm saying? So, rate, comment, subscribe, or whatever, and the Tech Maximus YouTube channel will be up and running very soon, or whatever. So this is just a little preview and review on Windows 8. So, rate, comment, subscribe. KB McFly, I'm out.